Some of you guys already knew I was gonna do this.
Yeah, y'all put y'all's accounts in the chat.
Listen, I'm a reaction channel. I have been for a long time. Mainly I react to people's home cooking. And I just want to learn something. I just want to let's break it down. Let's find out the ingredients, the tools that they use. What kind of chopper is that?
That's why I won't get rid of it.
Yeah, this thing works as...
And was it really fixed with racism?
She broke it and everything.
And they rigged it back
and duct tape. That's all I want to know. So let's get into it. I'm going to write down all the tools that they use, including she had a helper in there. He seems... There's something wrong with that guy. Show us your apple juice, Johnny. That's a good job. Hey, and this is no disrespect to the mentally handicapped, but that's what they do, right? They'll walk up to you and they'll be like, yeah, I see it, Johnny. I see it. You got a drink. Me. Drink. Listen, I don't know about country cooking. I mean, this could be a hit someday. I mean, this lady might be onto something. I'm just doing my due diligence to share it with the rest of you guys because I was like, no way. I didn't know that's how you made coleslaw. So let's get into it, man. Let's see what ingredients you use. This is how serious I am. I've got a notebook here to keep notes because we're gonna make it later, whether my wife likes it or not. I may have to stop and pick up a couple pounds of sugar, but I love coleslaw personally, and I'm sick of going down to the KFC to get it. So let's find out how a real Southern girl makes her own coleslaw.
Hold on. I'm gonna make 2 batches, so hold on.
What is that? It looks like, is your countertop, is that a sticker? Because it's coming off. There's little pieces, your countertop stickers coming off. That's wood grain, baby. Matches the tattoo. Ooh, damn, I didn't even think about that. And that flooring, that's real stone, isn't it? Is that real? That's real rocks, man. It's a fancy place, man. Dollar General chopper. All right, let's see it. And I wanted to be so serious. Watching him so...
See how they turn out.
And that chopper's not working right. It hasn't been broken before, has it?
She broke it and everything.
And they rigged it back
This is good information, folks. If your chopper ever breaks, you can rig it. Did I just say that? Rig it. Huh. We're so not racist over here that the phone doesn't even let me say it. I'm just gonna take a drink of my Red Bull real quick. Rig it. Quick. Rig it. I'm so stupid, man. Hi, let's get into the coleslaw. We already know, everybody knows that you just chop up cabbage and then you chop up carrots. The carrots are for the flavor to help balance out the
I'm not being a color.
Wait, what is it?
That's really all the carrots is really used for is the color.
Oh. Everybody knows that. The carrots are just for color, guys. Okay, carrots for color.
Girthy sound to me it right there. That's a girthy sound right there. That's one of them, it ain't a grower, it's a shower. It ain't a shower, it's a grower, you know what I mean?
All right. What else do you even put in it, Merle? Okay, 1 cup of sugar. Oh, two cups of sugar. Gee whiz. 3 cups of sugar. Gee whiz. 4 cups of sugar. Hold on a second. Slow down. Yeah, definitely going to want some apple cider vinegar to offset all that sugar. How much you going to put in there?
Yep.
Capful. I know I'm reviewing your cooking and trying to learn Southern style, but I think you're going to want a little bit more mayonnaise with that sugar. There you go, Johnny. Yeah, I bet you can get more out of it, Johnny. The guy's a hard worker. Yeah, shake it. See, what's he doing with those scissors? Buddy, don't cut the mayo bottle with scissors. You're gonna dull them things out, man. You never know what you'd need them for later. This is retarded. I don't even know why I do this. I spent my lunch break doing this. But I'm learning. There we go. A little bit more mayonnaise in it, just a little bit more. Yeah, give that a good stir. And then you want to grab your utensil out of the, give her a taste in it.
Salad, I like bologna.
Your finger, all right. What do you think? Probably too sweet. Dip another finger in it, hell. Yeah, it's gotta be too sweet. She's going after the apple cider vinegar again. How much apple cider vinegar? You're just gonna pour it in there. All right. A country pour more. There we go. That has to do something to knock down the, what was it, 6 cups of sugar that you put in it? Yeah. So let's see how's it tasting now, Merle. Gee whiz. God, Jesus. God. And half. All right, another 1.5 cups of sugar. So we're up to 17 cups of sugar. All right, let's see. You can hear over the white supremacy noise in her phone, you can hear the grit when she's starting it. It sounds like a daggone sand filter starting up. Oh, Hayward pump looking ass. Hey, you gotta appreciate how she brings it in tight to stir. Yeah, my mommy likes bologna salad.
My mom loves it. Honest to God, I've never eaten bologna salad. So I don't know if I like it or not, but I like bologna, but I've never eaten it. I know, crazy, right?
I'm gonna level with you, Merle. What's crazy is how many times you've stuck your finger in that bowl of sugar gravy that you just whipped up in front of us. Just get a little tasting spoon or something. Good night.
I'm gonna put a big hole in the center.
And here we go. Now she's gonna finally put it in the cabbage. Well, hell, why grab a utensil to put a hole in the center now? Might as well use your fingers. Fuck it. At this point, I like where she draws the line at you. On the bright side, if you didn't have room in your fridge, you could put that coleslaw in the freezer. That much sugar in it ain't gonna freeze. You just brought the freezing point down to -42 on that bowl of coleslaw.
You won't get off that baby.
I know we already took inventory, and I hate to do it twice, but she just stepped away and gave us a good shot of everything that's in that pantry. I say we inventory it. Let's go through what's in there. We got what looks like olive oil up there next to the Miracle Grow. right above the laundry detergent. And what's that underneath that laundry detergent? That's got to be Johnny's billboard plaques. You ought to hang him on the wall, buddy. We got above that. We got some syrup, some Alfredo sauce. What is that? Breadcrumbs. Maybe that's a loaf of bread above the Miracle Grow. Look like a bag of golf balls there, maybe. Maybe. Big old bag of onions or something. What's that on the top shelf up there? You know, you keep top shelf stuff. That's got to be good stuff up on top. Christmas wrapping paper. It looks like a big old fake jalapeno. A Dollar General bag full of Dollar General bag. Pretty neat setup. I still can't get over them stone floors. That looks like slate in that one there. I like to see how much sugar she puts in Kool-Aid. We're going to move on to the main course now. And she went ahead and let us know up front that she may have cheated on one of the dishes, and that's the mashed potatoes. She said she may have cut a corner, if you will.
And I cheated and bought the Bob Evans mashed potatoes. So, there's that.
We just seen she didn't cheat a bit on the coleslaw. She homemade. She made it homemade for sure. But she's cutting a corner on that, which is fine. I'll let it slide. There, you know, it is what it is. Time's hard to come by. It's not like you got somebody around the house all day that could go ahead and just mash them potatoes up before you get home. Didn't see that onion she just stuck on the stove? If I was you, I wouldn't even waste that on dinner. I bet you that's perfect. You get that some bitch in the ground in the next 5 minutes, and you got onions for eternity. What's that old saying? You could teach a man to fish, but you could plant that onion that's already been growing in your pantry. All right, pans are on the stove. So, anybody else find it ironic that she put 7 pounds of sugar in her coleslaw and just put a half a stick of butter in that little ass pot that she's gonna make mashed potatoes with? But where they draw the line is whole milk. Get the blue cap, babe. It's better for you. Oh, man.
All right, next up, I'm going to need...
Like that pan there on the left front of the stove, I'm assuming that's going to be her chicken pan for her chicken Alfredo. And I'm wondering, what kind of chicken? Is she the boneless, skinless, kind of Tyson chicken, you know, Walmart Great Value chicken breast? Just curious what kind of chicken she's gonna cook up that chicken. Then you got to chop it up, break it up, and get it ready for the Alfredo. Let's see. Hey, comment down below. What kind of chicken you think? You think she got the cutlets, the little strips, the little boneless, little thigh pieces? What kind of chicken you think she got? The hell is that a bag of? And don't use the scissors on. There's a little notch you can just peel. What is that a bag of?
You to get the cutting board right here. And I need you to cut me an onion in slices.
The whole slices?
Yeah, don't break out the middle either.
Yeah, I'm saying.
Yeah.
Is that a bag of dog food chicken? Oh, that's that kind of chicken when you go camping and don't have a stove and want some chicken salad or what? Merle, you didn't preface that you cut another corner. Hell, that's bending in a block if I've ever seen bending a block when it comes to ingredients. She said, now I may have shortcutted on the mashed potatoes, but everything else. And then she pulls out a Ziploc bag of damn chicken. I know this bitch ain't cutting that chicken with a pair of scissors. Oh my God. Bag of Dollar General chicken. Pair of Husky scissors. Is that husky? Yeah. All right. There's a first for everything. What a sight to behold, right? Her sitting there cutting up chicken, bagged Dollar General chicken with a pair of husky scissors. Johnny over her shoulder peeling an onion that's pretty much growing. Sounds like he's peeling saran wrap off of an Amazon package or something. And Johnny don't notice much, but even he noticed, hey babe, there's something wrong with this onion, man. There's...
That cheese will hold it together.
What is it?
That cheese will hold it together.
No, I heard you. But I don't know. The cheese will hold it together? What? I think you ought to take that cheese and put that chicken back together with it. And don't ever cut chicken with a pair of scissors ever again. I don't want to see this ever again. I made this whole video to just show you that. And Johnny, why the hell are you going with that onion anyway? Hey, I'm pretty sure that's a bag of onions on top shelf right there. I'm almost positive. I'm about 91% sure that's a big ass bag of onions. Or potatoes. It could be potatoes. Either way, the cheese will hold it together. And that's what we learned here, folks. I know there's a lot more to play on this. She gets the pork chops out of the oven, gets a pair of bolt cutters out of the shed, and she cuts them up. There's really nothing more to see here, folks. I just wanted to spend my lunch break with you. I don't have any more time. That's all the time I got for you, folks. This has been your review of country cooking, Merles, Pearls, Gobles with oval scissors. This has been how to cut chicken like a retard. This has been how to cook with love and racism. Yeah. And using tools that are rigged.